Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So you want to know how to set up VPN on Amazon Firestick? Well, this is very simple, guys. On Firestick you have ability to actually install the VPN as an application on Amazon Firestick, which is incredible, right? So what you can do is, as you can see, this is what you'll need to do. You'll need to open the Amazon App Store from the home screen and search for your VPN. Now, for example, ExpressVPN, fully recommended. This is one VPN that I would recommend to anyone that is using Firestick. This is by far the best Firestick VPN. You can install the app and open it and log into it, as you can see. So you can actually go here, install the app, right? Download the app, and then you will be able to use it. Obviously, you'll need to log in with your credentials, right? And then you'll need to connect the VPN and you're all set. Now, this is one way of doing it. Now, obviously, you can go and try to install NordVPN or any other VPN that you can install as well. You can also change the Amazon region on the Firestick by just logging into the Amazon account, selecting the Amazon list drop-down menu, and then selecting the preferences tab and choosing the country. But this is pretty much what you can do in order to install. It's very simple. Everything is in your app store on Amazon App Store within your Firestick. So if you have any issues anytime, you can go and you can basically set up your VPN on Amazon Firestick this way. Now, this is obviously a paid way. Obviously, if you want a free way, you'll need to use either a trial or a Surfshark VPN trial. You also have Hola VPN. Just type in VPN and you'll be able to get a bunch of different VPNs that are recommended in the Amazon App Store. So hopefully this video helps, and if it did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.